the lead in the global military revolution, and its new developments are causing quite a stir in the United States. The Asian giant is now presenting itself as the creator of the most advanced defense technologies on the planet. From jets that defy the laws of physics to space weapons that can paralyze entire countries, China has been secretly developing a technological arsenal that is leaving military experts across the globe speechless. Get ready to learn about the 8 most impressive and revolutionary defense technologies that China is currently deploying. Stay tuned until the end because what you will see in number 1 will leave you speechless. Number 8, the Phantom Shuttle. A space shuttle that can operate for 2 years without anyone knowing what it is doing. The Shenlong is probably the most mysterious spacecraft in Earth's orbit, and for good reason. This Chinese robotic space shuttle can remain in space for extremely long periods of time carrying out secret missions. Its ability to change orbit unpredictably makes it the most enigmatic space vehicle on the planet. But what exactly is its function? Experts speculate that it could deploy spy satellites, intercept enemy communications, or even repair its own satellites in orbit. Its versatility is so broad that it can function as a space laboratory, surveillance platform, or orbital operations base. With dimensions similar to the American 1037B, but with apparently superior capabilities, the Shenlong can land like a conventional aircraft after completing missions lasting hundreds of days. Its propulsion system allows it to perform orbital maneuvers that defy tracking by Western space agencies. The few videos available show landings so precise that they seem to be performed by an expert pilot. But this shuttle operates completely unmanned. It is literally a space ghost controlled by an artificial intelligence. Number 7, the autonomous supersonic drone. Imagine a pilotless combat drone that can fly at supersonic speeds and make combat decisions on its own. The Dark Sword is not just a concept, it is the reality of autonomous aerial combat. This combat drone can reach speeds greater than Mach 2 while executing maneuvers that would be lethal to any human pilot. Its angular and futuristic design is not just for aesthetics. Every line is calculated to minimize its radar signature. It can process combat information and execute strikes in milliseconds, a reaction speed impossible for human brains. Its artificial intelligence can analyze multiple threats simultaneously and prioritize targets with lethal precision. Classified tests have demonstrated combat capabilities that have forced other superpowers to accelerate their own autonomous combat programs. It is literally the hunter of the future, where the speed of machine thinking determines who lives and who dies. Number 6, the orbital bomber. What if a missile could circle the entire planet before hitting its target? China's FOPS system has turned this seemingly impossible idea into a reality that has changed the rules of the nuclear game. This system allows nuclear warheads to be delivered that partially orbit the Earth before descending toward their targets. The unpredictable trajectory makes it virtually impossible to determine the final target until the final minutes of flight. But why is it so revolutionary? You see, current anti-missile systems are designed to intercept projectiles that follow predictable ballistic trajectories. The FOPS can strike from any direction, even from the South Pole, where there is no radar coverage. With hypersonic speeds exceeding Mach 20 during the re-entry phase, these weapons can reach any point on the planet in less than 100 minutes. Their ability to change course during flight makes them impossible to intercept. Western experts have admitted that this system represents a quantum leap in offensive nuclear capability. It is like having the ability to strike from outer space with surgical precision and near zero warning. Number 5, the futuristic aircraft carrier Fujian. For decades, the USS Gerald R. Ford has been considered the most lethal aircraft carrier in history. However, China has just launched something that could dethrone the American behemoth, the Type 03 Fujian. This 85,000-ton naval beast not only matches the Gerald R. Ford, but in some ways surpasses it. While the Ford uses 4 EMALS electromagnetic catapults in a traditional configuration, the Fujian incorporates a revolutionary design with angled tracks that converge at a central point. But what does this mean in real terms? The Fujian can launch aircraft from 4 different positions simultaneously, dramatically increasing its operational capacity. Its 160 daily launches significantly exceed the capabilities of conventional aircraft carriers. In addition, it carries J-35 stealth aircraft that directly rival the Ford's F-35s, along with KJ-600 radar aircraft that extend the detection range to 150 kilometers. Each launch consumes the equivalent of a small city's worth of energy, but enables operations that completely redefine modern naval warfare. Number 4. AI-powered stealth aircraft. The J-20 is not just another stealth aircraft, it is a combat platform that integrates artificial intelligence in ways that are redefining modern air combat. With stealth capabilities that rival the American F-22, the J-20 incorporates AI systems that can analyze threats, optimize flight paths, and coordinate strikes with other aircraft without human intervention. Its pilot acts more as a supervisor than an operator. What makes it such a revolutionary weapon is its ability to process data from multiple sensors and make tactical decisions in real time. It can identify, prioritize, and engage multiple targets while maintaining silent communication with its squadron. Equipped with long-range missiles and advanced electronic warfare systems, the J-20 can strike targets beyond the visual horizon while remaining completely invisible to enemy radar. Number 3. Anti-stealth quantum radar, a radar that can detect stealth aircraft using quantum mechanics. China has developed technology that could render all stealth aircraft in the world obsolete. Quantum radar uses quantum-entangled photons to detect objects that conventional radars cannot see. When photons interact with a target, their quantum state changes in ways that cannot be fooled by traditional stealth technology. Why is it so revolutionary? Stealth aircraft work by absorbing or deflecting conventional radar waves, but the quantum properties of entangled photons make these cloaking techniques impossible. With detection ranges exceeding 100 kilometers, this system can identify stealth aircraft with the same clarity as conventional aircraft. Its precision is so high that it can determine not only location, but also speed, altitude, and even the specific type of aircraft. Prototypes have demonstrated the ability to track multiple stealth targets simultaneously, making radar invisibility an obsolete advantage. It is literally the end of the era of stealth aircraft. Number 2. Microwave space superweapon. China has developed directed energy systems that can disable critical infrastructure without causing human casualties. These satellite systems can generate microwave pulses powerful enough to overload electronic circuits on the ground. They can disable power grids, communication systems, or even military vehicles from orbits hundreds of kilometers high. Thanks to this technology, they can completely paralyze enemy infrastructure without physically destroying anything. It is like a selective electromagnetic blackout that can last from minutes to weeks depending on the damage caused. With the ability to focus microwave beams on specific areas, they can attack anything from a single military installation to entire cities. Its precision allows for surgical operations that leave the physical infrastructure intact but disable all electronics. Simulations have shown that these systems could disable the electrical grid of entire countries in a matter of minutes. It's the perfect war, devastating, but without visible physical destruction. Number 1. Spacecraft of the future. And now we come to number 1, the technology that truly defies the laws of physics, the Tang. This spacecraft completely revolutionizes aerospace propulsion as we know it. The Tango can ascend directly into space using hypersonic scramjet technology. Its maximum speed exceeds Mach 25, making any point on the planet an attainable target in less than 30 minutes. But what makes it so physics-defying? Its engine can accelerate to 30 times the speed of sound, maintaining stable combustion throughout the process. This should be impossible because conventional engines are destroyed by the extreme heat at such speeds. But the Tengu functions perfectly when any other technology would completely disintegrate. This machine can even carry military or civilian payloads, deploy satellites, conduct global reconnaissance, or function as a hypersonic bomber. Quite literally 3 vehicles in one: plane, rocket, and spacecraft. Leaked videos show horizontal takeoffs that accelerate to space speeds without the need for vertical rockets. Seeing this in action has left engineers at NASA and ESA baffled. The Tianjin isn't just cutting-edge technology, it's proof that China is building capabilities that could change the balance of power in the world forever. These technologies aren't just military breakthroughs, they're proof that we're entering a new era where the traditional rules of conflict no longer apply. As the world debates ethical regulations around artificial intelligence, China is quietly redefining what technological superiority means. Now tell me, which of these technologies have impressed you the most? Do you think we're witnessing the dawn of a new era in modern warfare? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more content about the future of technology. See you next time.